Good morning, children. So now we are going to discuss our topic as physical changes and chemical changes. Students, you know that when we are kicking a football, it is moving from one place to another. That means its position is changes. So you can observe that its position is changes, but there is no new substance is formed, and there is no molecules are also formed. Its molecules are remains as the same how it was in the previous. Similarly, if you are considering one more example as when you are tearing a piece of paper, you know that its shape and the size can be changed. But you can observe that in this case also there is no new substance is formed and its molecules are also remains as the same. If you are considering one more example, for example, if you are heating a piece of iron, you know its size can expand, and also its color also can change. You can observe that it becomes red hot, and when you allow to cool this, it regains its original shape and size. In this case also there is no new substance is formed. So you can see that in all these types of changes, there are changes, but you can observe that there is no new substance is formed and there is no change in the molecules of a substance. It remains as how it was in the previous. So these types of changes we call it as what is that physical changes. Physical changes. So when you are considering the case of a physical changes, there are changes, but there is no new substance is formed and there is no change in the molecules of a substance. Such types of changes are known as physical changes. And you can observe that in most of the cases, the substances are regained their original shape and size. That means these types of physical changes, we can say that they are reversible. That means most of the physical changes are, we can say it is reversible. Similarly, when we are considering the other situation also, suppose if you are burning a piece of paper. So when you are burning a piece of paper, we can see that ash is formed. That means a new substance is formed along with the new properties of molecules are also formed. And when you are considering the case of cooking of a food, in that case also you can see that a new substance is formed along with the new properties of these molecules are also formed. So when you are considering all these types of changes, you can see that new substance is formed with the new properties of these molecules. And these types of changes are permanent only, which cannot be reversed. So they are irreversible changes. So these types of changes we can say that they are known as chemical changes. These types of changes are known as chemical changes. And when we are considering the case of chemical changes, they are irreversible changes. So physical changes are a reversible change only and the chemical changes are irreversible changes only. Okay.